Now I want to say, if someone finds this GoPro next to my dead freezing body, I would like to say hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a special moment in time where skiing season meets Milky Way season. So I had one opportunity to do this photo and I had to do it. The main character here, Captain Courchevel, is from an artist called Richard Orlinski, and I calculated that the Milky Way will be on its back during that special moment in the season. Also, as a bonus, I didn't preview that, but the mountain Aiguille du Fris is over there and will be aligned as well with the Milky Way. That was a happy accident, but very cool. Where am I? This place, it's called La Soulière. Over there is the Mont Blanc, and down there is 1850 Courchevel. So all the gear that I'm gonna bring up with me: the shutter release cable that is already in the bag. So I'm gonna use the Laowa 15mm f2, my Dandy R6. Of course, as I am in winter, I use the K&F Concept bag, okay, with the carbon fiber tripod. Now, you are wondering what the hell is that? The skis with what they call a seal skin. So this is a skin that you put on your skis. It slides very well on this way and stops from sliding that way. Like that I can climb easily. Skis are a little bit different how they work. This will get me up and then it will be easy enough to get down. I just have to ski down. And I already ski with these skis and goddamn, it's not the easiest thing to ski on. My usually skis are like that because my skis are a little bit tougher. This one is a little bit softer, and as I am a fat guy, yeah. Now, a good thing is the boots. The boots are awesome. It looks like the Iron Man boots by the back. I was afraid to not do this picture again this year because I calculated to do this picture with the Milky Way and Captain Courchevel 2 years ago, but when it came the Milky Way season here in the North Hemisphere, COVID come. This year, I calculated that we have a window from 26 March to 10 April, and the weather didn't collaborate. Every single day was cloudy, or at least cloudy at night, and I was getting, well, nervous because if I would miss this window, too bad. You have to wait another year. Now, you're saying, why you don't do it after the ski season? Because usually they pick up this beast with an helicopter and take it away. But luckily enough, the last day, the 10th April, we had a clear sky, at least at the moment that we did photograph the Milky Way. Now, as you can see here on the plan, when we start to climb around 2 in the morning, we had the moon yet, and then when the moon sets around 4 something in the morning, we had the Milky Way to photograph. About 40 minutes to photograph the Milky Way before the sunlight starts to hide the stars behind it. Yeah, I had to climb here. So we are getting ready to climb. Here are my skis. Olivier's skis is over there. We are almost ready to start climbing. Now, I want to say, if someone finds this GoPro next to my dead freezing body, I would like to say that it's no need to erase my history browser because Ctrl-Shift-N exists, and the Instagrammer that I liked all the photos and reacted to all the histories, I have a huge crush on her. So, yeah.
Miguel, it's time.
2 hours later.
Well, we have arrived, so I guess you don't see shit, but yeah, we are in the top. It was not the hardest thing that I did climbing, but pretty damn close. The ape is over there. We are starting to do our test shots. There you go. Now, I don't have footage of me climbing because filming climbing shit, it's way too hard. So you have to climb, put the camera, climb down, climb back up after the field of view of the camera, then climb down to pick up the camera. I'm not doing that shit, so yeah. But I wasn't alone, I was with Olivier, and for him, physically, it was just Monday. And he decided to film me climbing for his enjoyment, for eternity, and for your enjoyment. So enjoy some clips of me climbing the shit out of this mountain.
Voilà, 2h du matin. Qu'est-ce qu'il veut faire, Miguel? Qu'est-ce qu'il veut faire? Attends, dis-moi ce que tu veux faire.
Essayer de monter au grand singe.
Pourquoi faire le grand singe?
Parce qu'on est con là.
Ah, Miguel?
Ouais, ça va, normalement ça va.
Ok, bon, on y va alors, allez. Cave des creux?
Quand des creux.
Pas de café, hein? Pas encore. Ouais, peut-être en descendant, on verra. Tu peux déjà arriver en haut, hein? Allez, parti. Là, c'est déjà... on attaque les creux, hein? On a fait déjà le premier mur. Hein? Voilà. Maintenant, on est sur le plat. Miguel est là encore.
Ah.
Allez, il boit un coup. Et voilà. La petite lune qui est là-bas encore. Bon, bah, on arrive, hein, parce que là... Qui arrive? Bah, c'est Miguel. Miguel qui arrive en haut des creux, dis donc. Hein, c'est pas beau, ça? Bon, va au singe, Miguel?
Ouais.
Allez, c'est parti.
On nique le singe, allez.
Voilà, qui est là? Le gorilla. Et qui est là? Miguel. Le Miguel est là. Ouh là là. Hein? Eh ouais, hein?
Now, I have to tell you this in all seriousness. If you're gonna attempt to do something like that, talk with the local responsibles of the ski slopes or whatever you're gonna go, because it's night, okay? Don't go fucking alone, don't be that stupid. Talk with the personnel over there and try to inform yourself, because, for example, here on the ski slopes, there is the Meuse, there is a machine. Comment on dit the Meuse en anglais? Olivier, people.
Hey, piston bully. Pist bully.
So it had piste bullies, and we were in contact with them. We won't.
Or a grooming machine.
A grooming machine.
Grooming. To groom.
Okay, to get married. Okay. We were in touch with them, so we won't cross on their path, and that can get really dangerous. So if you want to do something stupid like that, inform yourselves. We're gonna try to make the big Avengers ape on a single exposure. The moon just went down, it's perfect. I pick up the light, the wheel light. If you want to see the review, the video will be on the top. So let's do some shots before the sunlight comes up. So one of the problems that we faced immediately when we come up here was that the cable chairs building thing was with the lights on. That is really terrible because it will cast a light to the King Kong over there. We have our first test shot, so from the R6 we have it. So Olivier is using darkness piste, the D5 with 14mm f2.8. The main thing is that I'm not going to use a light because there is the mechanic lift chair for the skiers. It has a light there, and it's actually casting a light that it's good enough for us. The light that was casting was tungsten. So tungsten light is a warm light, is the light that I like to lit up the objects in front of me. So yeah, not bad. It wasn't the worst thing. The thing that was really annoying was that ad thing over there. So this thing is a LED TV on its sideways that you can charge your phone. It's really handy on the ski slopes, and it passes some ads. Now, the thing that I didn't know is that this thing, it's on even during the night for some reason. So I guess the electricity in France is very, very cheap. But that was a problem, so we had to dress this thing with jackets to not pollute, or what the Dark Light Association called transpassing light into the scenery. So yeah, bunch of jackets, always handy. Even if you don't wear them, it's very handy to have. The sunlight is starting to creep in, that means that we are done. So, good news, we had a beautiful photo with the Milky Way and the Avengers Gorilla with the landscape, when the very expensive skis, very productive night. Now what you have is just to edit the photos and yeah. Check them out on Instagram, they'll soon be there. Drop a like if you learned something, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. My mouth is freezing so I can speak properly. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Bah alors Miguel, tu as réussi?
Ouais, j'ai réussi.
Les accomplis?
Il y a beaucoup de solutions pour arriver là. On a choisi la pire. On a dit, on monte avec les skis à la fin de la journée, on fait un camping. Non, on n'a pas fait ça. On monte en motoneige, non, c'est interdit. Ah, on monte avec la dameuse, non, pas du tout en fait.
Donc on monte en
En ski de randonnée.